Hello everyone, welcome to La Vida with Kim. And today guys, I have a little DIY right here. If you saw some of my recent videos, you did see that I went shopping for that Coach collection. And I got this super cute little mini Rowan. And I asked you guys, I was like, should I bling it out? And you guys said yes. So I actually did start. As you saw, I did both sides already, but I was like, you know what, let me include you guys to bling out the rest. So this is how the bag is looking so far. I'm going to be doing the whole middle area from the front all the way to the back. So this is how it's looking. I love this denim little bag, guys. The cherries on top look so adorable. I'm gonna take you with me as I bling out this bag, show you what I use, show you how I did it. Very simple to follow, guys, so I hope you guys enjoy. To begin, I am going to be using these navy blue rhinestones. I got this pack off Amazon. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested in blinging out your own little Coach denim bag. So this is a variety of sizes. I like to buy packs like this because it just makes it more simple. I don't have to waste money on multiple sizes, just one pack, guys. So I did use just one pack to bling out the whole bag, just FYI. And I did use these for the dark denim part of the bag. And I have this huge pack I also got off Amazon, will be linked down below. And it has a variety of blues. So I was like, okay, one of these has to work perfect for the C's. Okay, so I went through all of these and I found that this blue was the best one out of all of them. I felt like this one matched the best. So that is the blue I'm going to be using to bling out the C's on the bag. Look at this. So it's like a jelly color, a very light blue with the AB tone. Super cute. And this pack does also come with multiple sizes, so I am going to be using the variety of sizes to bling out the bag. So this is how it looks on the bag, guys. Super cute, right? And I am also going to be using a Liquid Fusion to apply the rhinestones onto the bag. So now to begin, I am going in with the navy blue rhinestones first. I'm going to do all the navy blue parts first. You can see my rhinestones are ready to go here. I am doing a scattered method for the navy blue part. Just a little FYI. I think it's a little bit faster, and since it is going to be scattered, once I go over the C's, it's going to make them stand out more. So right here, you guys can see how it looks. This is the scattered method. By the way, guys, I do have my daughter right here doing her first official bedazzling project. She has been wanting to do this. I got it at Kohl's actually, and I thought it was so adorable. So she is going at it, guys. She is really good at it. I was really impressed. I was like, ooh, she got her mom skills. So yeah, guys, she just wanted me to show you guys how she's doing. So back to the bag, guys. I have my pickup tool. I also have a toothpick to help me spread the glue if I need to. I am starting at the top above the handles, applying the Liquid Fusion, working by section so I have enough time to apply the rhinestones right here. These areas are very small, guys, so I did use the toothpick to spread out that glue evenly across the area, making sure it did not cross over the letters. Only working on the navy blue areas to begin. And again, I am doing the scattered method. I am going to speed this up so you guys can get an idea of how it went. So again, remember, always double check your work. Make sure you stay in your area, work by sections so your glue does not dry out on you. And yeah, guys, so like I said, I am beginning at the top because when I move the handles up, I want to make sure these areas are dry so the handle is not moving those rhinestones when they are fresh. So I am going to do this to the front area, just doing the top above the handles. And I am going to do the back area above the handles. You guys will see in a second how that looks, okay? Remember also when you are applying your glue that the glue is not too thick, that your rhinestones are going to start sinking into it, but that is also not too thin, that the rhinestones are not going to stick. Use a toothpick if you have one to help you spread the glue as you are going. So this is how the bag is looking. Quick update on Ariel's bedazzling. She is now working on the little sun rays behind the little cat. She is so good at this, guys. So now back to the bag. Like I said, I am doing the bedazzling above the handles first. So guys, this is what I meant when I said that I am bedazzling above the handles first, because I want this to dry, so when I'm working on the rest of the bag I can move the handles up and it's not rubbing on the rhinestones that are still fresh. You know what I mean? I hope that is making sense. So again, I'm doing the back as well so the front has time to dry. Working by sections, guys, it's very important. So here you go. I did the front, I did the back, and now it is completely dry, so I can move the handles up and work on the rest of the bag. So again, just filling in those dark denim areas, working by sections, and following my scattered method. Once I finish up this front area, I am going to let the bag completely dry once again, because when I start working at the bottom of the bag, I want to be able to grab the bag without those rhinestones being fresh. So I want them to be completely dry. I did leave it like this for a few hours, and then I began working on that bottom section right here. So again, guys, I did the bottom area, let it completely dry for a few hours, and then I started working on the back area again, so I can be grabbing the bag without damaging those previous fresh areas. So now I am completely done bedazzling the dark denim areas. This is how the bag is looking, and guys, it already looks super cute like that, right? But we gotta go big or go home, guys, so of course I had to bedazzle the rest. So now I'm going to go in with my jelly rhinestones. And again, I am going to be working by sections, starting off at the top right above the handles, doing the front side and the back side, and then I'm going to do the rest of the area. So guys, let's begin bedazzling the letters. For this area, just be very careful when applying the glue. I am going very slowly right here. It's just sped up though, so that's why it looks like that. If you find it hard to apply the glue with that tip, use the toothpick to spread out the glue, or if you have like a thin tip application bottle, you can use that as well to make it easier to get in those very small narrow areas. And then right here I am also working by sections, but I can work in more sections at a time because it is very small, so I can quickly do it. So right here you guys saw me apply the glue to 4 areas. Again, bedazzling. Here I am just going with whatever rhinestone fits in that specific area. I am no longer doing a scattered method. I am just following, depending the space that is a rhinestone I am applying. Finishing up that top area, this is how the bag is looking. Again, I am doing that back side as well, letting this dry, and then moving on to the rest of the bag. Now back to the front of the bag. So guys, look at this huge difference, right? It looks so beautiful. Again, I did let that dry for a few hours, moving on to that bottom area, letting that dry once again, and then finishing up in the back area. So finishing up right here, remember to always double check your work. Okay guys, so it is completely dry. Look at this. How freaking gorgeous is this? I did the whole thing, guys. Look at that. This is the back. So cute, guys. Oh my gosh. So adorable. And this is the side. The other side with the little cherry right here. How adorable. Oh my gosh, guys. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So cute, guys. Just look how it shines. Beautiful. This was around a 7-hour project, a little bit over 7 hours. Yeah guys, it's time consuming. Very time consuming, and obviously that was not all in one sitting. It did take me around like 3 days, I think, on and off throughout the day. So yeah. Gorgeous, right? You guys want to see how it looks on the bag? Well, let's go see. So guys, look at this. I already put the other charms that I got from Amazon. I made a little short about them. I'll link them down below as well if you guys are interested. But it's 2 little cherry charms. This is like the Coach one, and then these are just little pom-poms. How cute is this, right? And then so it has the original charms as well. And then the blinged out bag, guys. Oh my gosh, look at this. She is so gorgeous, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love how it came out. She is so blingy. So cute, guys. What do you guys think? Let me know. I couldn't help myself. I just had to bling it out. So cute. And I could even use this as a bag as well. I saw somebody commented. They said they're going to use it as a micro bag. And I was like, oh my gosh. So cute, guys. And then especially blinged out. How adorable is this, right? Everything is blinged out. She is dry. She is ready to use. I love how it came out, guys. What do you guys think? So cute. Make sure you let me know. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.